do everything for you, so obviously they deserve some love and pampering. The work they do for you can make your hand age quicker than any other part of our body and deserve a break. So to keep them looking young, you have to start taking care of your hands right now. Today's video will discuss 5 simple ways to make your hands look younger. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Here is a guide to make them look younger and beautiful. Number 1. Anti-aging hand cream. Post 30, you will probably start caring for your face daily with a decent amount of anti-aging cream. But have you realized that it is also equally important to do the same with your hands to maintain their youth? Apart from daily moisturizing, it is also necessary to apply sunscreen to your hands, and they too have to fight the strong UV rays. SPF creams protect your hands from sun damage and unwanted tanning. Number 2. Gloves. Your hands do a lot for you and you do a lot for your family. In between the dusting and dishes, your hands get super dry, causing the hand skin to crack. To prevent this, wear a pair of gloves whenever you are doing any house chores that involves using water and detergent soaps. Number 3. Oil. Your fingers are a reflection of how well you maintain your personality. Peeled, cuticle skin makes them look dull and badly kept. Applying oil to the cuticle bed to keep it nourished and tight will help improve the health of your fingers. Not only do this oil prevent cuticles health, but they also brighten your skin. The herbal properties of oil give your nails a firm base and make them look longer. Nail polish. Nail polishes and nail polish removers are packed with chemicals which degrade the shine and texture of your nails. Make sure the nail cosmetics you are using are sulfate-free to get healthier and natural-looking hand. If your nail paint gets chipped, do not overpaint it by adding another coat of nail paint. Instead, grab a bottle of acetone and remove it completely and then apply a fresh coat. This way, your nail makes your hands look clean and polished. Number 5. Nails. Try to keep your nails short and opt for fake longer nails if you fancy them. Short nails do not accumulate any dirt in them and make your hand look cleaner. It is the best way to avoid unnecessary cream and painful nail breakage. What do you think of this important information? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.